for watching. I'm Prerna Agarwal, Technical Product Owner for the Guardian. Today, I'll be giving you a quick demo on how to generate operator ID and operator key for installing and running the Guardian. So the first step, what you need to do is you need to create an account in the Hedera testnet portal. So this is the link which we have added in our docs.hedera.com/guardian/getting started. So once you click on Hedera testnet portal, you need to either log in or sign up. If you don't have an account, you need to sign up. Or if you have already an account, you need to enter your email address and the password associated with that account and click on login. So once you logged into the Hedera testnet, you will have several options. By default, the Hedera testnet network is being selected in the dropdown. But if you want the main net or a preview net, you need to select the respective networks. And then as you see, you have the account ID, public key and private key of your respective account has been displayed. So in order to get your operator ID, you need to copy and paste the account ID, which is 0.0 and so on. And with respect to the operator key, you need to take the private key of your account, which starts with 302, and you need to copy and paste this into the .env.docker under Guardian-service folder. If you are using Docker, you need to add over here the operator ID and the operator key. If you are building the Guardian from scratch, you need to update operator ID and operator key in .env file of Guardian-service folder. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us or email us. We have also added a detailed and a step-by-step process in our docs. So please have a look and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you. Have a great day.